inverse of function, inverse function. See, the inverse of the function. The function f is mapping from A to B, f is mapping from A to B is bijective, if and only if the inverse of the function is exist, that is defined from B to A, that is defined from B to A. The inverse of the function f, that is f inverse from B to A also bijective function, right? This is the one of the definition. Otherwise, you see f is mapping from A to B, G is mapping from B to C, and if f circle G is equals to I is equals to G circle F, then f inverse is equals to G. F inverse is equals to G. This is the another definition of inverse function. What is that? F is mapping from A to B, G is mapping from B to A. G is mapping from B to A. If f circle G is equals to I is equals to G circle F, then f inverse is equals to G. What is the f circle G, G circle F? We will see after the exercise 1.2. Right? So after 1.2, composite functions. So in the composite function, we will discuss about this f circle G and G circle F. Right? So what is the inverse of the function f? F inverse is equals to what? G. This is the inverse of the function. Next over here is say now f is mapping from A to B is bijective, means that means inverse of the function is exist. Inverse of the function is exist. Then first one, f circle f inverse is equals to identity function, that is mapping from B to B, I, and f inverse circle f is equals to I. Remember these two things. Okay. After that, we have exercise 1.2. We will see now exercise 1.2 questions. Question number 1. Show that the function f from R to R, f from R star to R star, f from R star to R star, defined by f of x is equals to 1 by x, is 1 on 2, where R is a set of all non-zero real numbers. Here, what is the R star? R star is equals to non-zero real numbers, means except to 0, or minus 0, that is 0. If the result true, is the result true, if the domain R star is replaced by n with codomain being the same as R. So this is the question. First, we are looking at this function is 1 and on. After that, we will see remaining question. First, now we are looking at 1. How we are doing 1 function? What is the definition of 1? For all x1 comma x2 belongs to domain A. F of x1 is equals to f of x2, then x1 is equals to x2. F is called 1. You see, let x1 comma x2 is belongs to domain. What is that? R star. Here R star nothing but domain of the function, right? And what I am assuming, f of x1 is equals to f of x2. What is the f of x? F of x is equals to 1 by x, then f of x1 equals to 1 by x1 equal to f of x2 nothing but 1 by x2. You do now cross multiplication, x2 is equals to x1, nothing but x1 is equal to x2. What we are assuming, f of x1 is equals to f of x2 implies that x1 is equal to x2, means what? f is 1 1 function. F is 1 1 or injective function. Now coming to onto function. How we are doing that onto function? You see, what is the definition of onto? Domain is equals to codomain is equals to range. Codomain is equals to range. Otherwise, for all b belongs to b, there exists a belongs to a such that f of a is equals to b, then f is onto function. Here what I am doing, you see, domain is equals to codomain is equals to range. I am doing this. Here let f of x is equals to y. What is the y? Y is codomain element. Here y is codomain. Y is codomain, right? What is the f of x? F of x is equals to 1 by x. 1 by x is equals to y. From this, x is equals to 1 by y. That means corresponding to every y value, there is a pre-image. For example, y is equals to, here, this is the real, this is the domain, this is the codomain. For example, here 0 except 0. So 1 minus 1 here, 2, 3, 4 like that is there. So here, for example, for 1 pre-image is 1 by 1. X is 1 by 1. 1 by 1 is equals to x is equals to 1. So that means here this is 1 is mapping with 1. That means 1 having pre-image. For example, everyone. For example, x is equals to, you take 1 by 2. So 1 by 1 by 2 is equals to 2. That means 1 by 2 is related to 2. For example, x is equals to 3. X is equals to 2. Here we are getting 1 by 2. That means this element, every element have an image. That means otherwise in codomain element, every codomain element has its pre-image. So it is onto. So what we are writing, that means x is equals to 1 by y means what is the x? Here x is a domain element or star. Domain element means here the codomain of f is equals to range of f. Therefore, f is onto. This is the proof. So you watch carefully. This one very easy. Just we are assuming f of x1 equal to f of x2. Then what we are getting? F of x equal to 1 by x. So f of x1 equal to 1 by x1. F of x2 equal to 1 by x2. By cross multiplication, 1 into x2 x2, 1 into x1 x1. A equal to b nothing but b equal to a also. X1 equal to x2. What we are assuming, f of x1 equal to f of x2 implies that x1 equal to x2. This is the definition of domain 1 1 function. So f is 1 1. Next coming to onto. So you see f of x is equals to y belongs to r star. R star means here what is the y? Codomain element. So 1 by x is equals to y. X is equals to 1 by y. 1 by y is exist or not? This is that's it. 1 by y is exist in domain or not? That means r star. R star means except then r star nothing but non-zero real numbers. That means 1 by y is always non-zero real number. So that means 1 by y is existing. That means every element has a pre-image. That means codomain Therefore, f is onto. This is the proof, right? So, how we are going? You see that onto one very easy for all the questions. Onto we have 2-3 methods. First method is we are proving that codomain is equals to range. That is the one method. Otherwise, you assume f of x is equals to y. After from that, you find x value. X is equal to something we are getting. If it is if that value is exist in the domain, then it is onto. This is the one of the simple method, right? So I follow second method. If it is existing means codomain is equal to range. Therefore, f is right. Next, some remaining also is there. You see what they given. What they are asking, you see, is the result is true if domain R star is replaced by n with codomain being same as R star. That means domain this R star they are replacing with n implies that codomain is isolated. The result is true. What is the result? The given function f is 1 1 and onto. See here n means natural number, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 only is there. Here this is the n, this is the r star. R star is here. We have some positives, negatives, fractions, everything is there. So -2 here, -1 2 3 4 is there. See, for example, in R star we have -1. R star we have -1. So here what we are getting 1 by x is equals to -1 means x is equals to -1. So this -1 must be related with the -1 only. But here n means positive integers only. It is a positive integers only. So it is not possible. But answer is no. Answer is no. This is the answer, right? And this is the question number. This is the question number 1. Next, question number 2. Question number 2. Check the injectivity and surjectivity of the following functions. First one, f is mapping from n to n given by f of x is equal to x square. F of x is equals to x square. See what we are checking here, injectivity and surjectivity, nothing but 1 1 and onto. Very simple problem. You see here I am checking first 1 1 function. First we are discussing 1 1. Let x1 comma x2 is belongs to n, means natural numbers, other positive integers only. And f of x1 is equal to f of x2. F of x1 that nothing but x1 square is equal to f of x2 nothing but x2 square. That implies that x1 is equal to plus or minus x2 if we remove the plus squares. Otherwise we are applying the square root, we are getting plus or minus. But here you see that x1 comma x2 is belongs to n, means positives only. So that implies that belongs to n. So x1 is equal to x2 only. Otherwise we write here. That implies x1 is equal to x2. What is the reason? Here x1 comma x2 is belongs to n natural numbers. If it is whole numbers, if it is belongs to z, otherwise belongs to r, belongs to q, definitely we are writing plus or minus. So x1 is equals to x2. That means what we assume here, f of x1 is equal to f of x2 we assume. But what we got, x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, f is a 1 function. F is 1 or injective. 1 or injective. Now we are discussing now onto or subjective. Onto or subjective. Say how we are writing subjective, you see. Simply f of x is equals to what? X square. F of x is equals to x square. That means otherwise you will do one thing, f of x is equivalent, f of x is equals to y. F of x is equals to what? X square. F of x is equals to x square. From this, nothing but y is equal to x square. That means y is related with squares of x, squares of integers only. Means what you see? This is the natural number, this is the natural number. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like this is it. If x is equals to 1, what we are getting? 1 square. That means 1 is related with 1. Okay. Next, if we substitute x is equals to 2, f of 2 is equal to 2 square, 4. That means 2 is related with 4. Next, 3 related with 9. Next, 4 related with 16. Dash. You see, what is the codomain? Codomain is the set of all the natural numbers. What is the range? Range is equals to squares of the integers. What are they? 1, 4, 9, dash dash. Means here codomain is equals to range. No, codomain is not equals to range. For example, 3 is there. 3 doesn't have the image. 5, 6, 7, 8. These numbers like so many numbers doesn't have the images. So it is not a onto function. It is not a onto function. So what we are writing here, range is equals to range of f. Once you write range of f, what? 1, 4, 9, 16, dash dash only. This 1, 4, 9, 16 or dash dash is not equals to n. N means here codomain. That means range of f is not equals to codomain of f. Therefore, f is not onto or subjective. This is your answer. Right? Like 2 marks questions, 2 marks. They are asking from this exercise only. They are asking from this exercise only. So observe, watch carefully, and you practice it. When seeing the answer, you may thought it is very easy, simple. But when you practice the question, when you face the problem, when you are starting to write the problem, you can't get idea where we need to start. So you have to practice well all these problems of exercise 1.2. Right? Now coming to next question, that is question number 2. F is mapping from z to z. Given by f of x is equal to x square. Here only the domain and codomain are changed here. Domain and codomain are changed. Integers. So x1 comma x2 are measuring in domain. F of x1 equal to f of x2, x1 square equal to x2 square. x1 is equals to x2 only. x1 is equals to plus or minus x2 only. Here what we get, x1 is equal to x1 equal to x2, x1 is equal to x2, x1 is equal to minus x2 also we are getting. So this is not equal. F of x1 equal to f of x2 I assume. This is need not be equal to x1 equal to x2. Therefore f is not onto or surjective. F is not onto or surjective. Next coming to onto same f of x is equal to y, x square is equal to y, y equal to x square. Means y means what? Range, output. X is the input. Here this is the one mission. This is input. After the input we are getting some output. These input values are x. This is the function. After some simplifications, we are getting that output. That is why. Here x is the domain. X is the domain. This one output is the range. Understood? Output is the range. So what we are inputting, those values are domain elements. Output result is the range. See here what is the function f of x is equal to x square. What you are substituting, the means the integers you are substituting. So what we are getting output, squares of the integers. What are the squares of the integers? So squares of the integers here 0 also you are. So 0 square 0. 0, 1, 4, 9, 16 dash dash value. This is not equals to z. Right? So the range of f is not equals to the range of the codomain of f. Therefore, f is not a surjective or onto. So this is the answer. That means the given function f is neither injective neither surjective. Not surjective. Neither injective nor surjective is your answer. This is question number 2. Next question number 3. F is mapping from R to R given by f of x is equal to x square. Again see f of x is the third one. F of x is mapping from R to R. F of x is equal to x square. Just assume here x1 comma x2 belongs to R, means domain. F of x1 equal to f of x2, x1 square equal to x2 square, x1 equal to plus or minus x2 here. Because the real numbers contains positives or negatives. That means x1 comma x2, it may positives or negatives, we don't know. So f of x1 equal to f of x2 implies that x1 is need not be equal to x2, x1 is not equal to x2. Therefore f is not a 1 or injective. Next coming to subjective, saying f of x is equal to y. Here x square is equal to 1 y. Y is equal to x square. Means over here x square is always positive. So greater than or equal to 0. The range of f is equal to what we are getting? 0 to infinite we are getting. 0 to infinite. For example, x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 whole square means 1 by 4. Means minimum 0, maximum infinite values we are getting. So 0 to infinite. So this range is equal to, that means 0 comma infinite, left semi-close, semi-interval, left close, right is right open. Half is 0 comma infinite is not equal to real numbers. And this is R place positive real numbers. So range of f is not equal to codomain of f. F is not a onto. That means in this case also the given function f is neither injective nor surjective is the answer. Next coming to fourth question. F is mapping from n to n. Fourth question. F is mapping from n to n given by f of x is equal to x cube. Here we take n. x1 is x1, f of x1 equal to f of x2, x1 is x1 square equal to x2 square. x1 is equal to plus or minus x2, but x1 is equal to x2 only because x1 comma x2 belongs to only positives. Negative case doesn't exist here. So f of x1 equal to f of x2, then what we got? x1 equal to x2, x1 here cube, right? Cube. You apply both sides, third row to here we are not getting even plus or minus also, right? X1 equal to x2. Not in here. After third row on both sides. So f of x1 equal to f of x2 implies that x1 equal to x2. F is 1 1 or injective, right? Next to coming to subject f of x is equals to y, x cube is equals to y is equal to x cube. That means here it may exist positives and negatives. For example, f of x is equals to minus 1. Minus 1 cube equal to minus 1. F of x equal to minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 whole cube equal to minus 1 by 8. So all the values are existing here. So domain is equals to here range is equals to range of f is equals to codomain of f. Range of f is equals to codomain of f. F is not a subject. This is your answer. This much more answer, right? That means what you say from this, if you write x is equals to y to the power of 1 by 3, it is existing. This belongs to R is here codomain. In this codomain, this is domain. That means domain elements are existing here. So range of f is equals to codomain of f. Right? This is the fourth one. Next coming to fifth one, f is mapping from z to z given by f of x is equal to x cube. Z to z here. Z to z, f of x is equals to x cube. See here x1 comma x2 is belongs to z. x1 cube is equals to x cube, x2 cube. x1 is equals to x2 definitely. After third row we are getting same. Next that means f is 1 1 or subject injective. Next coming to here, f of x is equals to y. X cube is equals to y is equal to x cube. X is equals to y to the power 1 by 3. It belongs to z or does not belong to z? It is does not belong to z. Sometimes it is belongs to it. All the times it is not belongs to z. For example, we say y I am telling this one. Here z is there. Here z. 0, 1, 2, 3. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Next to it, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. Here you see 0 related with 0 cube 0 only. Minus 1 related with minus 1 whole cube. Minus 2 related with minus 2 whole cube means minus 8 here. Minus 8, that is minus 8. 1 related with 1, 2 related with 8 only. What about these 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? These elements doesn't have entry images. For example, 2 is there in the codomain element. 2 doesn't have entry image. Range is equals to codomain. No, range is not equals to codomain. So it is not a range of f is not equals to codomain of f. Therefore, f is not a on. F is not a on. This is your answer. Okay. The given function f is injective but not subjective is the answer. Right? This is the question number 2. Next to question number 3. Question number 3 you say prove that the greatest integer function f from R to R given by f of x is equals to greatest integer of x is neither 1 1 nor R2, where greatest integer x denote the greatest integer less than or equal to x, less than or equal to x. Greatest integer function step x, already we have definition everything we have in first PUC. So this function defined from R to R, real number to real number, and this is defined as f of x is equals to greatest integer function x. That means this is the step x of greatest integer function giving only integers. Say here let first one proving 1 1. checking first to 1 1. Let x1 comma x2 is belongs to R. F of x1 is equal to f of x2. That implies f of x1 means greatest integer of x1 is equal to f of x2 means greatest integer of x2. That implies that x1 is not equal to x2. Why you see? Example. Greatest integer of 1.3 is there. This is equals to 1. And greatest integer of 1.9 also equals to 1. But 1.3 is not equals to 1.9. Correct? This is for example f of x1 value, f of x2 value. What I have said f of x1 equal to f of x2. That means 1.3 is equals to 1.9. Okay, it is correct. But 1.3 equal to 1.9. That means x1 equal to x2. x1 equal to x2 is not possible. So 1.3 is not equal. It is not equal to 1.9. So therefore f is not an onto 1 or injective. Next coming to onto or subjective. See, f of x is equal to greatest integer of x. That means let x. Here let f of x is equal to y. So y is the output nothing but range. So y is equal to step x. This step x, this is always is equal to z. That means step x gives that integers only. That means here z, that means here range. So range of f, nothing but z, is not equals to codomain of f. What is the codomain of f? R. Z is not equals to R. Therefore, the function f is not a onto. F is not onto or subjective. And this is the answer. Okay. These are one maybe it is easy for you. Onto, you don't get confusion. You watch first you read well the definition. You have to remember the definition. Next this onto part you try to watch 2-3 times. Then easily you can understand. After that you practice minimum 2 to 3 times. Then only easily you can write in the examination. Otherwise it will difficult for you. Okay. This exercise. Next fourth question. Show that the modulus function f is from R to R defined by f of x is equals to mod x is neither one or non-onto where mod x is x if x is positive or 0 and mod x is minus x if x is negative. Okay. F of x, what we are doing here, the given function is neither 1 nor onto. This is our question. F of x1 comma x2 is belongs to R. F of x1 equal to f of x2. What is the f of x1? F of x1 is equal to modulus of x1 is equal to modulus of x2. From that, x1 is equal to what we are getting? When we are removing the modulus, we are getting plus or minus. You know this one. So plus or minus. So x1 is not equal to x2. For example, you see, modulus of minus 1 is equal to 1. Modulus of 1 is equal to 1. But minus 1 is not equal to 1. So f is not a 1 function. Coming to onto, f of x is equal to mod x. F of x is equal to mod x. Mod x, that is y is equal to mod x. Mod s is always greater than or equal to 0. Mod function giving what? Positive numbers. What are the positives? 0 to infinite. The next is the range of f. That means the range is equals to here. Range is equals to 0 to infinite. Left over, right over. Range of f is not equals to codomain of f. What is the codomain of f? R. So 0 to infinite is positive integers, positive real numbers. Positive real numbers is not equals to all the real numbers. So f is not a answer. F is not answer. F is not answer. That means therefore f is neither injective nor surjective. Otherwise f is not a 1 1, neither 1 1 nor onto. This is our answer. You don't confuse 1 1 onto 1 1 injective onto surjective. That's it. Right? This is our question number 4. Next to question number 5. Question number 5. Show that the signal function f from R to R, f is given by f of x is equals to 1 if x greater than 0, 0 if x equal to 0, minus 1 if x less than 0, is neither 1 1 nor onto. This is the question. See, very simple question. First we are checking that 1 1, neither 1 1 nor onto. So 1 1 we are checking. 1 1 you see, let x1 comma x2 is belongs to our domain, and f of x1 is equal to f of x2 minus. That means f of x1 is equal to x2, x1 is not equal to x2. You see why? Example, f of 2 is equals to, f of 2 means 2 is greater than 0, f of x is equals to 1. So 1, okay. F of 3 also greater than 0. This is equals to, f of 3 is equals to 1. That means 2 and 3, 1, 3 images are 1, 2 is related with 1, 3 also related with 1. That means every element doesn't have unique pre-images. So that means above 1, greater than 0, all the values, images are, the image is 1 only. So it is not a 1 1 function. Here 2 is not equals to 3. Understood this one? Here real numbers, this is the real numbers, real number to real number. Here 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, like that is there. 1, 2, 3 is there. Here 0, 1, 2, next to minus 1, minus 2, like that is there. 0 related to 0, 1 related to 1, 2 related to 1, 3 related to 1, 4 related to 1, 5 related to 1, all the values are related to 1 only. Next to minus 1 related to minus 1, minus 2 related to minus 2, minus 2 related to minus 1, minus 3 also related with minus 1. Means here 1 pre-images you see how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dash dash all positive up to infinite. So 1 now doesn't have any pre-imaging, so it is not a 1 1. And onto, when you are checking it onto, so here you see 2, 3, 4, 5 codomain. 2, 3, 4, 5 dash dash those element doesn't have pre-images. Nothing but the range is equals to what? Minus 1, 0, 1 only. But codomain is all the real numbers. So it's not equals to, codomain not equals to range. So it is not a onto. Therefore, f is not 1 1 function. And here onto, when you are checking that onto, range of f is equals to set of minus 1, 0, 1 only. This is minus 1, 0, 1 is not equals to R. That means range is not equals to codomain. Therefore, F is not on to. Not on to. This is the answer. That means, therefore, the given function f is neither on 1 nor on 2 is the answer. Right? This is the fifth question. Next, sixth to remaining question we will see next week.